Well, now I'm ready to do the final step, and that is to waterproof everything. It's actually been a couple months, and the chimney cap looks perfect. There's no cracks in it, but I want to waterproof everything, including the cap and all of the bricks. You can see all these bricks are still really bad and chipped out, and this isn't going to fix any of that, obviously, but it's going to hopefully prolong the life of this chimney, make sure no more water gets in there. So I'm going to waterproof the top and all the bricks. The waterproofing stuff I just got on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. And I also bought this sprayer. It was like 15 or 20. So I'm just going to start waterproofing and let it go all the way down. The other thing I'd point out is I bought a harness and a rope from Amazon too. The harness was under 20 bucks. The rope was 20 or 30 bucks. And that's because our roof at the gutter is 20 feet up and at the chimney is about 30. And I really don't want to fall off of here where I'm climbing the ladder, climbing another ladder. But if I do, I want this harness, so hopefully it'll stop me from falling off the edge. So, and I'm really going to focus on this area and the cap. This isn't as important, but I'm really going to try to make sure no water can get up and in here. Well, so far it's pretty straightforward, but as far as coverage, I filled this up maybe a quarter of the way, and I've already used all that up, and I've only gone down about 3 or 4 feet. So this definitely isn't going to do a whole chimney unless you thin it out with something. I was like, oh, that jug will cover this whole chimney. I'm probably only going to get down to about this level, which is fine. I don't need to do all the bricks. This is the more important area, but just to let you know that jug, I'm sure it's on the quantities there, what it'll cover, but for me, it's probably only going to do about 10 feet in that entire jug, and this chimney is like, I think, 7 by 3 or something like that. Well, that's it. There's not much to it. You're just spraying it down. The tough part is you're 20 feet up on a roof. I used 80% of the jug, and I covered down a few feet off the shingles there, but I covered the worst area, the area where I think water's been getting in. So that's it. Those are the 3 steps on how to seal up your chimney. Hope it helps. My advice is to do it before it gets this bad. Do it right when you start seeing those pop-outs of bricks. Get it then so it doesn't get any worse. Hopefully this lasts a lot longer. Thanks. Now we get to climb down with the ladder. The hardest part of the whole thing is getting this ladder over to there and not falling off the roof. Now the steep part, which I'm going to do two-handed.
Well, I hope you liked the video you just watched. If you did, feel free to subscribe by clicking the button on this side. You can also check out all the videos I've done, the playlist from things I've built, things I've fixed, home repair, 3D printing, and on this side you can check out a recommended video similar to the one you just watched, and as always down in the description I'll put a link to my blog which has more pictures and more information about the video you just watched. Thanks.